How to change YouTube language on mobile. Changing the language on the YouTube mobile app is quick and easy. So simply follow the steps to adjust the language settings on your iPhone or Android device. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings in the top right corner of your screen. Now once you're inside the settings, simply tap on the General option available on the top. Now, inside General, tap on the Language option available. Now, here you can see it says you will have to add a language to your iOS in order to change the setting. Now, go back to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, tap on the search address bar on the top and type down Language Settings. Now, here you can see Add Language option available there. Simply tap on the Add Language and you'll be navigated to the page where you can see the list of languages option available. Now simply tap on the Any Languages and add this language on your iOS keyboard. Then you can easily choose whichever desired language you want on your YouTube. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.